Do you want an alternative for those harsh chemical cleaners that make your eyes water and skin dry out? What if I told you there's an all-natural, dirt-cheap solution that can tackle even the grimiest messes, one that's probably sitting in your pantry right now? Well, get ready to have your mind blown by the cleaning power of baking soda. That's right. This humble little box can work wonders. It's a staple in almost every kitchen, but it needs to be used properly to unleash its full potential. Did you know this humble ingredient is a cleaning superhero? We all know the frustration of a greasy stovetop, a grimy oven, or stained coffee mugs. Those stubborn kitchen messes can feel impossible to clean. But before you reach for harsh chemicals, consider the magic of baking soda. It's time to discover the cleaning power of baking soda. So stick around as I reveal all the tips and tricks for using baking soda to clean every nook and cranny of your kitchen. Your future self will thank you. Get ready to be amazed at how this simple ingredient can transform your kitchen cleaning routine. Grease is the enemy in any kitchen. It splatters on stovetops, builds up in ovens and clings to countertops. It can feel like a never-ending battle, but baking soda can help you win the war against grease. Let's start with the stovetop. To clean a greasy stovetop, sprinkle baking soda liberally over the surface. Then add a few drops of dish soap and some warm water to create a paste. Let the paste sit for a few minutes to allow the baking soda to work its magic. Then use a damp sponge or cloth to scrub away the grease. Rinse with clean water and dry thoroughly for a sparkling clean stovetop. Baking soda is also a powerful weapon against greasy ovens. To clean your oven, make a paste of baking soda and water. Apply this paste to the interior surfaces of your oven, focusing on areas with built-up grease. Let the paste sit for several hours or even overnight. Then wipe away the paste with a damp cloth or sponge. For stubborn stains, you can use a scrub brush to help loosen the grime. Rinse well with clean water and dry thoroughly. Don't forget about your greasy countertops. You can use the same baking soda paste to clean your countertops. Simply apply the paste, let it sit, and then wipe it away with a damp cloth. Rinse and dry for a grease-free surface. Burnt-on food is the bane of any cook's existence. It seems impossible to remove no matter how hard you scrub. But don't worry, baking soda can handle even the most stubborn burnt-on messes. Let's talk about those burnt pots and pans. Fill the pot or pan with water and add a generous amount of baking soda, about half a cup. Bring the mixture to a boil and then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the baking soda to loosen the burnt-on food. After simmering, let the pot cool down. Then use a scrub brush or sponge to remove the remaining burnt-on residue. Baking soda can also rescue your baking sheets from burnt-on grease and grime. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the baking sheet. Add a few tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide to create a paste. Let the paste sit for a couple of hours, allowing the baking soda to break down the burnt-on mess. Then use a sponge or scrub brush to remove the loosened residue. Rinse thoroughly and dry for a clean baking sheet. Remember those stubborn stains on your glass bakeware? Baking soda can help with those too. Make a paste of baking soda and water. Apply this paste to the stained areas of your glassware. Let it sit for a while, then scrub gently with a sponge or cloth. Rinse well and watch those stains disappear. I know that you find this video informative so far and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing. But will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable, needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, To ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. Your kitchen sink and countertops take a beating every day. They face spills, splatters, and constant use. Baking soda can help you achieve sparkling clean sinks and surfaces without resorting to harsh chemicals. For a sparkling clean sink, sprinkle baking soda liberally over the bottom of your sink. Use a damp sponge or cloth to scrub the baking soda into the surface. Baking soda will help remove stains and deodorize the sink. Rinse thoroughly with water and dry for a shiny, clean sink. Baking soda is also excellent for cleaning and deodorizing your garbage disposal. Pour about half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by a cup of white vinegar. Let the mixture fizz for a few minutes, then run cold water down the drain while turning on the garbage disposal to flush away any remaining residue. Don't forget about your countertops. Baking soda is a safe and effective cleaner for most countertop surfaces. Make a paste of baking soda and water. Apply the paste to your countertops, focusing on areas with stains or spills. Let the paste sit for a few minutes, then wipe it away with a damp cloth. Rinse and dry thoroughly for sparkling clean countertops. Stained coffee mugs, teacups and water bottles can be a real eyesore, but before you toss them out, try the power of baking soda. It can help remove those stubborn stains and restore your drinkware to its former glory. To tackle stained coffee mugs, fill the mug with hot water and add a tablespoon of baking soda. Let the mixture sit for a few hours or even overnight. The baking soda will work to loosen the stains. After soaking, use a sponge or bottle brush to scrub away the remaining stains. Rinse thoroughly and dry for a stain-free mug. For stained teacups, mix baking soda with a bit of water to create a paste. Apply this paste to the stained areas of the teacup and let it sit for a while. Then use a soft bristled brush or sponge to gently scrub the stains. Rinse well and dry for a clean teacup. You can also use baking soda to clean stained water bottles. Fill the bottle with warm water and add a couple of tablespoons of baking soda. Let the mixture sit for a few hours or overnight. Then use a bottle brush to scrub away any remaining stains. Rinse thoroughly and dry for a clean and odor-free water bottle. There you have it, folks. Baking soda isn't just a tool for tackling isolated stains or greasy surfaces, it's your ultimate cleaning companion for the entire kitchen. Who knew that unassuming little box of baking soda could be such a powerful cleaning workhorse? Give these baking soda hacks a try and let me know how they work for you. Cleaning doesn't have to be a dreaded chore. With a little creativity and some baking soda, you can make it fun and affordable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more game-changing tips.